Hey everyone, how you doing? Hopefully everyone is well. I've started this new channel, Sean Raven, and I'm coming to you today to talk to you about a great idea. I'm looking for two people that are interested in learning everything that they can about YouTube. I want to dedicate my time free of charge to those two people and teach them everything that I've learned over the last year by going through the YouTube Creator Academy and working with other individuals that are quite versed on YouTube and how to create a YouTube channel and make it the type of channel that's actually making some money. So I'll walk you through all the steps of the beginning process of signing up for a YouTube account if you already have one, developing that account and making it into a profitable opportunity for yourself. I'm very passionate about YouTube and have been working really hard, very diligently over the last year at building several channels, and I want to give back that information that I've learned. I want to teach and also learn by teaching. So if you feel like you might be that person, there's two people that we're looking for. Down below in the description you'll find our email. Send us an email to smscreative2018@gmail.com. Looking forward to hearing from you, and this is going to be a great opportunity. We're also going to give you an inside look behind the scenes into the analytical data and information that we utilize on our channels to make them grow on a regular basis, to make them popular, and also to interact with communities and build, most importantly, to catch that ever elusive YouTube algorithm and make YouTube subscribe your videos. That's the key that I've learned over the last year, is basically to utilize all of the best practices, utilize tools like TubeBuddy, which we have below, to build a channel and become successful at what we're doing. So if you think you're that person, once again, go ahead and shoot us an email at smscreative2018@gmail.com. And if you like this video, please be sure and give us a subscribe, a thumbs up, and shoot some comments down below and let us know what you think. Look forward to hearing from you guys in the near future. Take care.